Cincinnati Bell is dedicated to providing you with quality products and outstanding service. Let's review some tips to ensure you get the most from your Fioptics TV. Occasionally, the batteries in your remote will need to be replaced. If the buttons don't light up while pressing any mode key, such as TV, then the batteries may need to be replaced. If the batteries are good and the remote is still not working, here are some steps you can take. Remember to always press the mode button first to tell the remote which device you want to control. For instance, to view the Fioptics TV menu, press the STB mode button followed by the menu button. You can resynchronize the remote and set-top box by simultaneously pressing the setup button and the red C button for 3 seconds. Instructions for programming the remote to control other equipment can be found on our website, www.cincinnatibell.com/support. Be sure to select the correct set-top box that you have in your home. You'll also want to make sure the remote can connect with the equipment by removing any obstructions between them. There must be a clear line of sight between the remote and equipment for it to work properly. If there's an issue with the picture or sound, follow these steps to resolve it. First, make sure the set-top box is plugged into an outlet and turned on. The power indicator on the front of the box should be illuminated. Next, make sure your TV is on the correct input for your Fioptics TV. Try cycling through the TV inputs to ensure that it is. Also, make sure that your TV volume is not on mute or turned down all the way. A good connection between the set-top box and the TV is also important. Check that all cables are firmly connected to both the TV and the set-top box. Detailed instructions can be found in your Connected Guide. To access the Connected Guide online, go to this web address, www.cincinnatibell.com/fioptics/user-guides, and select the Fioptics TV equipment you have installed in your home. Your Fioptics TV relies on an internet connection, so it's important to ensure that your Fioptics Internet Gateway is working properly. When connected to the Internet, the DSL and Internet indicator lights should both be on and steady. If either light is off, you'll want to reboot the gateway. Unplug the gateway, wait a few seconds, and then plug it back in. If you are still having issues after following these steps, reboot your set-top box. Simply disconnect the power cable from the wall outlet or from the back of the box. Let the box rest for 30 seconds and then reconnect the power cable. It will take the set-top box a few minutes to initialize, and you may need to press the power button on the box to start it back up. If you can't find a channel that you subscribe to, you may have a filter applied to the guide. If so, repeatedly press the guide button to access the channel list you want to see. To view all available channels, select the list labeled All. Parental controls and channel blocking may also prevent access to certain channels or programs. You can modify these features in the Settings menu. An account password protects your settings. The temporary password is 1111 if you haven't already set one up. To deactivate parental controls and channel blocking, go to the Preferences settings. Highlight each option and click OK to remove the checkmark. Don't forget to save your change by clicking Submit. To get the most from your Fioptics TV service, check out our other tutorial videos. Details about all the Fioptics features can also be found in your Connected Guide. If you have any questions, connect with us anytime, online, on the phone, or at a Cincinnati Bell store.